Hello friends, welcome back to I Made Me Think end-to-end website testing video tutorial using Selenium, Cucumber and Java. Continuing with the last video tutorial, this session we will discuss on code compilation and running tips or steps. So different tools which I have used and the version. One can simply go to Maven website, download this particular 3.3.3 version, set the m2_home path to your installation directory as an environment variable, JUnit version, test unit version. So this is the code. The code is available in GitHub. Just go to github.com, search for I Made Me Think repository, and this particular code is the one. We can just download or clone, open in a desktop, GitHub desktop, or download a zip file, extract. It is a Maven project. So the code is this POM file. Okay, before that, when you extract the project, the zip file, just import the project as a Maven project. Go to Maven, existing Maven project, give the path of the POM file, and then next and finish. So this project will open. JRE version should be this, Java SE 1.8. Eclipse version is Eclipse Mars 1 release, Mars.1 release 4.5.1. The JRE should be this one, Java SE 1.8, JDK 1.8. The JUnit version and the testng versions. I'm sorry. JUnit 4.1.1, testng is 6.8.21. This is a Maven project, so we'll see the POM file. So POM file, apart from this basic things, there are a lot of dependent plugins we need to include. For example, Surefire plugin 2.12. This is the one which I have used and the project works fine. Again, Maven compiler plugin, Selenium plugin 2.8.2. This is the Selenium version. JUnit InfoQux is for Cucumber, some dependent jar files, and simple profile. So the main thing is how to run the tests. So this is the path from which the code will start executing the tests, from start star runner test.java. We will see this when we do an actual code review, but for now these are the packages. So this is a Maven structure basically. When you start a new Maven project, it is like this. So 4 folders will be created: main Java, test resources. In the resources we'll have feature files, and in the test Java, because it's a test project, we should have the packages. So this particular runner test, so star runner test.java, this is the file which will start executing, and here we will have different Cucumber options. Anyway, we will see this in detail when we execute the code, when we do a particular category code review. But this is the path. This is the path from where the code will start executing based on this Cucumber tags and based on the feature files. Depending on which feature, which code you want to run, this will be run. So currently it is red bus, and continuing. Okay, JUnit test ng Eclipse version is this. Cucumber, you can just go to Eclipse Eclipse Marketspace and install the Cucumber plugin. Mozilla Firefox version is this. These are the browser versions. POM file dependency we saw. JRE JDK settings we saw. How to run the code using JUnit. So we can run the code using two way. One is this, in the general page factory, this particular file, just right click and run as JUnit. So it will start executing. Or we can just do a right click and run as a Maven test. So the code will start running. In the simple example, we will see how to understand the console output logs. It's in textual format, and understanding the Cucumber format logs, which is in HTML format. How to quickly expand the code for new website. This is one of the good feature for this framework, is quickly scale the algorithm or quickly scale the framework for new websites in the same category. So the test scenario are designed in such a way that tomorrow, let's take an example of an e-commerce website. So currently I have done it for 2 websites. Tomorrow, if third website we need to test, the scenario design remains the same. The scenario pattern remains the same. The only difference is the web elements or the page objects of that website. Cucumber BDD approach is a big advantage. As I said, the scenarios are designed in such a way that we can quickly change it for other website. For an example, a recruitment website or a job website, a typical scenario would be user browses for a different type of job, and then in the search result, user will sort or filter the results. So this is more or less common across websites, across the category. Let's take an example of a e-commerce website wherein payment related things. So payment related things are more or less common. For example, credit card payment, debit card payment through discount coupon or voucher, or through nowadays it is like wallets of different websites can also be used. So scenarios are very common which can be quickly expanded for another website. Page objects, Maven, JUnit, WebDriver settings are just handy as we discussed. So what I've observed based on my experience is there are a lot of code already available on internet, but when you start downloading and executing it, you face problems because of compilation. So as I have shown, a lot of things are easy. Just create the new package, page objects, and start locating the elements, and there you go. Handy general utilities, which is a great advantage for properties, file handler, random name, address, number generator, database, init, connect, Apache POI, Excel, CSV, init. Enormous general utilities are available for your support. So ready-made framework is available for you. Just start using it. Coming soon. So there are a couple of things which I would like to address in the next session of videos are end-to-end database testing, full automation using TestNG, more website categories, so banking, insurance, email, social networking, video streaming, blog writing, etc., etc. More general utilities like database handling, improved reporting, Jenkins, and continuous integration tool usage, Selenium grid for parallel test execution. all suggestions are welcome. You can mention your suggestions, comments in the comment sections below. The GitHub code link I have provided in the comment section. Thanks for watching.